On your app tray, find the Play Store. Now under the Play Store, find remove BG, download remove BG and install PixelLab. Then go to Chrome and search for any one of these options. I chose the first one. Then I click on images. It gave me something like this. I then selected one. Then I clicked on it. I downloaded it. See, there's download image. I downloaded the image. Look at the image here. So I went back to the remove video I downloaded, the app. So I select upload image. Look at the image I downloaded here the other time. I select it again. Now automatically it will remove the background. Then you download. Click on download. Look at it now. This has no background. Now you go to the PixelLab. This is the PixelLab. It is always default like this. Once you open it, you'll see something like this. It's always like this. You select this text, then you delete it. This thing down here that looks like copy. For changing of this background, you change it to any color you want. I select white. Look at it. I selected white, and I come back to where image is to insert image. You click on plus, select from gallery, then select the image. After selecting the image, it will bring you, it will show you something like this. You can crop. After cropping, then you can now adjust the image anyhow you want the image to be. Click on that same plus, select add text, then you can now write whatever you want to write. Delete this one, delete this text, and you can write anything. So I wrote buy data at affordable prices. After that, I click on OK. Now look at it. Another thing I did here was I changed the background. Yes, I changed the background because the background is white and the color is white, so I changed it to pink. Use the procedure we used to get this lady image to get this thing to network icon. Just search for that and you get to remove the background, and you can now insert it here. You can add more text with this plus text down here. You can add more text to it, or you can copy and edit. So you can add more images to it too. You can add more images, like I added, you see I added WhatsApp image and phone number here with the text, and I changed the fonts. I changed the fonts to a lot of font there, which you can change to anyone you want. And I use this ruler to arrange everything to be straight, align everything together. Now this is what we have after that. So after that, I can now save my work as project. That is, if I want to use it again, or as images. Look at it, save to gallery, and once it's saved, it's on my phone already, then I can use it. With this, you can create any flyer.